6. Had an inland flight about 3 years ago. This kid in the row behind me, probably 6 to 8 years old, started to kick my seat immediately after takeoff. It was not a long flight, about an hour and a half. But I hate this kind of shit. So I turned around and sure enough that prick was kicking my seat, while his mom and dad were sitting on either side of him, pretending to not notice. First, I kindly asked the dad if he could make him stop, and he somewhat tried to convince his kid to stop. The kid sulked but seemed to get the memo. For about 1 minute, then proceeded to kick my seat again. And once again I turned around, and this time, dropped the pleasantries, and told them that this was a golden opportunity to teach their kids some manners.